Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in this video, okay, this is a continuation of Segnale di Divieto, okay, but we'll be covering 3 lessons on today's video, okay. We'll be covering distanziamento minimo obbligatorio di 70 metri, okay. We'll also be covering the Massimo limite di velocità. Also be covering fine de Massimo, limite di velocità. So 3 lessons on one video. Okay, but all of them are Segnale di Divieto. So before we get started, guys, if you're just seeing me for the first time, if you're just coming across my videos, please do well to give me your sub. Okay, I need your subscription, and of course turn off your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, guys, and at the end of this video, if you like what you got or if you're interested for more, please give me a like, okay? So that this video will get pushed out to other people as well, okay? Just as it got to you because of the likes of other people, okay? Okay, let's get started. We start wasting much time. Okay. This is distanziamento minimo obbligatorio di 70 metri. What does it mean? When you see the sign on the road, what does it tell you? It says, è un segnale di divieto e impone di mantenere una distanza una distanza di almeno 70 metri dai veicoli che precede. Now, it's telling you that this is segnale di divieto and it imposes you, it obliges you to maintain at least a minimum distance of 70 meters from the vehicle in front of you, okay? Che sta avanti, non quello che segui, che sta dietro. Okay, we are talking of the vehicle in front of you. You must give them 70 meters, okay? Not the one at your back, okay? But rather the one at the front. Vale anche per i motocicli e quando si viaggia a bassa velocità. So it's also valid for motorcycles, that signal, okay? Valid for motorcycles, and of course, even if they go on a low velocity. When you see this sign, you know this signal di divieto, do not go more than this. You must observe the 70 meters, okay? At least, you can do more than that, but at least you should distance yourself because safety reasons, okay? You should observe 70 meters at least from the vehicle in front of you, not the one at the back. You're not responsible for that. The one at the back should as well observe this limit, giving you 70 meters apart from his own vehicle. Okay. Then I told you we'll be doing limited maximum velocità. Okay, when you see this sign, most of us see it on the road. Now, it is not necessary that it should be this particular number. Sometimes you see 50 inside, sometimes you see 90, sometimes you see 70, sometimes you even see 30. So, okay, it depends on what that road is offering you. Now, when you see this sign, it will tell you that this is the maximum limit you can use on this road. Okay, you can't go more than this. When you see it like this in right circle, you know them by their sign, you know them by their name. Okay, when you know them by their sign, by their name, by their background color, you will understand what it means. Okay, this is Segnale di Divieto, meaning that you're forbidden to go more than this. Okay, so let us read what this sign is trying to tell us. It said, è un segnale di prescrizione. Remember I told you that Segnale di Divieto is also called Segnale di prescrizione. So in your test, while you're doing your test, or even when you're doing your quiz at home, you might have come across it. They won't use the word divieto. They might say, this is it segnale di prescrizione. So it is vero. Be very careful, guys. It is vero. Indica la velocità massima consentita per tutti I veicoli. Now it is telling you of the maximum limit that is allowed, for all vehicles. In questo caso, 80 km. Now in this case, it's telling them 80 km is the highest limit that all vehicles can go, okay? Ha validità immediatamente dopo il segnale. Now, this sign valids immediately after you see the signal. So, for example, you're coming on the road and you see the signal. Before the signal, you can still run 90, you know. But immediately after the signal, this sign becomes valid, meaning you can't go more than 80. Okay? Immediately after the signal. è valido, scusami, 24 ore su 24. Now, it valids for 24 hours, meaning all day, tutti i giorni. Puoi trovarsi anche sull'autostrada. Come detto, vale per tutti i veicoli, anche motocicli. So you can find it also on autostrada, okay, just as it is, and it valid for all vehicles, including motorcycles. Non è vero che permette di effettuare il sorpasso a velocità superiore da quella indicata. Now, it is not true that it allows you to do overtaking, okay? On a velocity that is higher than this one that is being indicated, 80 km/h, you cannot say because you want to do overtaking, which is, of course, you need some, a little bit of increase in your velocity to do this overtaking. Then you will not go more than 80. It's not true. Okay, that's when you want to do Sorpasso, you can go higher than this number indicated. You must maintain the limit of this. Okay. Now, fine del limite massimo di velocità. Now, when you see this sign on the road, it is telling you that this is the end of that limit being imposed on you. Anytime you see this sign being crossed with a black stripe like this on the road, it is telling you that the limit that was imposed on you initially has been cancelled, okay? It's not working again, it's invalid. So right now, you can do whatever you want to do, but of course, don't go more than the limit of the road. So for example, you find yourself in autostrada. Normally, we know so autostrada at 130 kilometers, no? Yes. Now, when you see a limit like this one, telling you cannot go more than 80, even in autostrada, you have to respect that limit, okay? Now, after that sign, you're going to come across this sign telling you that this is the end of the limit that was imposed on you, meaning that you can go 90, you can go 100, you can go 110, you can go 120. But guys, do not go more than 130 because 130 is the speed limit for autostrada. Do you get the whole thing now? Okay. Despite the fact that you're going to see this sign telling you this is the end, does not mean that you should abuse what's it called? The signal that is the law of autostrada. Let me say the law of autostrada. You cannot abuse it. You have to maintain the 130 that has been imposed initially on autostrada. Okay. È un segnale di fine prescrizione, fine divieto, e indica la fine del limite massimo di velocità. Now, this is the end of segnale di prescrizione, just like I told you that segnale di divieto is also segnale di prescrizione. Okay, now I said this is the end of that divieto sign, okay, meaning that you can observe something more than that now. Da questo punto in poi, from this point that you've seen this sign onwards, è possibile procedere ad una velocità anche superiore a quella indicata. Now you can proceed with a higher velocity, okay, even if it's more than that 80, initial 80, okay, you can proceed more than that. Senza però superare, they even say this here. Now, they say senza però superare il limite generale vigente per il tipo di strada. Now, without you at least going more than the initial limit, general limit of autostrada, like I said, example autostrada is 130. You must not go more than 130 because you see the signal telling you that this is the end of the Divieto imposed on you. Okay, you must still maintain the general speed limit for autostrada, okay? Okay, I don't know if I actually made this this teaching clearer enough, but if not, I would appreciate you leave it in the comment section and I'll swear go into it and of course give you a reply as soon as I can. Okay guys, do well to share my video, very, very important. Do well to share this video to get across to so many people that it can as well bless their life. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.